This demonstration shows how Tfbe technology isolates moving concrete joints to prevent long-term leakage. The vertical interface shown is the active joint. Instead of cutting directly into it, Tfbe places saw cuts offset into solid, non-moving concrete about 5 inches away along the slab and up the wall. These grooves create a stable anchoring point, allowing the system to be mechanically locked into sound concrete rather than relying only on surface adhesion. Each installation is engineered for the structure, with groove depth and spacing designed to accommodate anticipated movement. Once the geotextile is anchored, a monolithic polyurea lining is applied over the surface. After curing, the joint below is free to open and close independently, while the isolation detail prevents stress from transferring into the lining. What you're seeing is joint movement with the seal fully intact, no cracking, no tearing, and no leakage, at one of the most failure-prone locations in concrete structures. This is how Tfbe delivers long-term, watertight performance at moving joints.